Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Social Security login problems. Account locked fix step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Social Security website by typing SSA.gov directly into your browser address bar. Check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue. Open a private or incognito browser window to avoid cached login conflicts. If you are on a phone, try the same steps on a computer, or use a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. On the login page, carefully retype your username and password and make sure caps lock is off. If you used autofill, delete the saved entry and type your credentials manually to avoid hidden typos. If you see an account locked message, stop trying to log in repeatedly because more attempts can extend the lock. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before trying again, because many lockouts clear automatically after a short period. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts. Enter your username and the required personal information exactly as it appears on your records. Choose a verification method and complete the security step, such as a code by email, text, or an authenticator option if available. Create a new strong password and save it in a secure password manager so you do not get locked out again. If you forgot your username, use the Forgot Username option and complete the identity checks. After recovering your username, return to the sign-in page and try logging in once with the updated details. If the site shows an error page, clear your browser cache and cookies for SSA.gov, then restart the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers temporarily because they can break sign-in pages. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic, because incorrect time can cause security errors. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try again, because some security systems block VPN traffic. If you receive a one-time code but it fails, request a new code and enter it immediately before it expires. Make sure you are entering the code in the correct field and not adding extra spaces. If you change your phone number or email, update your contact details if you can access your account settings. If you cannot access settings, prepare to verify your identity, another way to update your contact information. Look for a help or contact link on the login page and read the lockout or access instructions for your specific error. If the lock does not clear after waiting and resetting, contact Social Security support using the official phone number listed on SSA.gov. When you call, have your personal information ready so the agent can confirm your identity and guide the unlock process. If you are asked to visit a local office, bring required identification documents as directed on the official website. After your account is restored, enable extra security options available on your account to reduce future lockouts. Finally, test your login once more and write down the correct sign-in steps so you can repeat them confidently next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.